Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on your GMC Acadia. It's a simple task that can significantly improve your driving visibility. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely with the ignition off. This entire process should take you about 15 minutes for both blades, ensuring you're ready for any weather. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Always place a soft towel on your windshield beneath the arm to prevent any accidental damage if the arm snaps back. Next, find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Repeat for the other side. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest flat. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Watch for smooth, streak-free operation across your entire windshield. If you notice any skipping or streaking, double-check the installation. To extend their life, regularly clean your blades with a damp cloth. For best visibility and safety, plan to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.